Wagwan family, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to fry plantains Jamaican style. First and foremost, big up Father God over here. Now I'm going to show you all the ingredients I'm going to use to fry the plantains. So these the plantains I'm going to fry. I'm going to fry the green plantains and press them. I'm going to fry the ripe plantains, okay? For the green plantains, I'm going to soak it in salt water. So this is the water and this is warm water. Going to add some garlic to the warm water also and some salt. I'm going to use corn oil to fry the plantains. This is the pan I'm going to fry the plantains in. Just going to turn on the stove. Going to add the oil. That is enough. About a cup of oil. So now I'm going to allow the oil to come hot. I'm just going to leave it on medium and go and peel the plantains them. So before I peel the plantains them, I'm going to prep the garlic. So I'm just going to chop them up. Alright, now I'm going to add the garlic to the bowl. Now I'm going to add salt. Going to add warm water. 4 cups of warm water. Stir it. Now I'm going to set this aside and peel the green plantains. I'm going to start off by frying the green ones first. So the easiest way to peel the plantains is this way. Alright, this one, I'm just going to cut them about an inch long, like this. This one, I'm just going to cut it in 3. 1, 2, 3. Just like this. Alright, I'm going to fry them now. Now the oil hot, I'm going to drop them. I'm going to make them fry for 2 minutes on each side, then turn them over. Now I'm going to flip them over. It's already 2 minutes. And remember, my stove is not on high, my stove is on medium, okay? So 2 more minutes and me take them out. Now I'm going to take them out. Now I'm going to press them. Start off with these ones first. Using a glass with the surface flat. Just like this. For these ones, I'm going to use this cutting board like this. That is it. Now I'm going to put them in the garlic and salt water. So I'm just going to make them soak in the garlic and salt water for 3 minutes, no longer than 3 minutes. I'm going to set back this aside over here. So now I'm going to do the ripe ones. And these ones easy to peel, my people. Just like this. Just going to cut this one in two. This one, I'm just going to slice them down in the middle like this. Okay, this is the way we slice them in the restaurant. Just like this. And this way, I think we get more out of them when we slice it this way. Okay? So you just turn it like this and you cut. So you see the difference? So this way, if you're just going to serve it as sides, this is the way you want to cut it. This is the way we cut it in the restaurant. So if you're going to make a sandwich, this is the way you want to cut it, this way. So you could rest it on the sandwich, long way. Right now we're going to fry them. So when you're frying ripe plantains, you don't want to turn up your stove too high to burn them up, okay? So the outside burn and the inside do not cook. So you need to make sure your stove is on medium heat, okay? Now I'm going to fry them for a total of 6 minutes. And my stove is on medium, remember, not too high. Now I'm going to flip them over. Okay, now I'm going to take them out. They fry to perfection. So I put them on this so they can drain the excess oil from them. Going to fry these now. And these take the same amount of time to fry. It's just that they cut a different way. Okay, now I'm going to turn over these. Time to take them out. Now I'm going to drop back the green ones. So I'm just going to fry them till they come crispy. Them one here, you have to fry them on high heat. Remember, they have the water inside of them, so you have to fry them on high heat, okay? So I'm just going to fry them until they come crispy. Now I'm going to turn them over. Now I'm going to take them out. You see, when they're floating on top of the oil, you know they fry. Alright, so here you have it. Fried plantains done right. After today, you don't have no more problems to frying plantains. Because I do the green ones and I do the ripe ones. I teach you how to peel them. And this one, I want to do this one and come back and tell me about it with the garlic water. Okay? So please remember to like, share and follow the channel for a lot more videos, a lot more cooking tips. See you in the next video. Peace out.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.